Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche and we are looking at loops and we are looking at definitions of methods, okay? Right now in the context of a static, classes that have static things, and so they're passing static information, so we have to keep them static. But I wanted to talk about this, and at the end of class what we did was we ran a example of a program that would draw some stars, and what we did was we moved the drawing capability outside of main to this other thing called draw sail. Okay, and what draw sail did was it took a number of rows, took a number of columns. It worked like this to draw. And we also made it, say this row thing. So, that does that if we want. And but what we did was we declared a method called draw sail, and then we used it by calling it from main. Okay. This is the method call. Okay, so that it would, like the code go here, it would jump to draw sail, do what it had to do, return, and then close. And so that's what a method does inside a class. So classes can have a lot of different methods. One of them needs a main, and they can also contain data and stuff like that. But let's take a look at that. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make a new project, and we wanted to work on the sail, right? Full-size sail has both sides and has like a like an old triangle, like a equilateral triangle kind of looking thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here. I'm going to make a new Java project. Okay, I'm going to call it full sail. Okay. And I'm going to let that happen. Okay, I'm going to close up these guys. Okay, we'll start from scratch so you can see how to do this yourself and get it going, which is good. Okay, so I'm looking for full sail, which is down here somewhere. Here's full sail. Okay, I'm going to close the console so it looks the same. So it's easy to see. Okay, I'm going to go to source. I'm going to make a package. Okay, so I'll call this full sail pack. Okay, so it gives me my package. I'm going to make a class, and I'll call it full sail drawing, something like that. And I need a main. So this will give me a main. There it is. Okay, so I've got my main as part of my my class. I'm going to put this up here so everybody can see it. Move this down here. Try to close that up. Okay, and that's my main. Okay, so what we did in the past was we made a scanner to take in input. So we'll do that again. So we'll say scanner like s equals new scanner, and this will take the system in. So input. So what I'm asking is whatever the input stream is, I want to get a hold of it, and I want to get that information. Okay, so that's good. It's going to be upset with me because it doesn't know what scanner is, and I'm going to go here. Okay, let's see what it wants here. I'm going to import scanner like that. I can do it that way too. That's fine. So now I have a scanner. Okay. I'm going to ask the user how many stars do you want? You want something like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go s string or int. How many equals s, dot. I'm going to go say next int. So people have to give me an integer, but I can kind of process it, and it'll be an int when I get it. Okay, I forgot a semicolon, and that's what that looks like. And then what I want to do is, so let's take a look at this for a second. So main exists from here to here. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a second routine down here. And to do that, I have to write, in this situation, this is sort of a little bit special, but it's basically the same for everything. You're going to say public, because I want everybody to be able to use it. I'm going to say static because it's getting information from something else that's static, and I sort of have to do this. Void because it's going to do its draw, and we're going to say draw full sale, something like that. Okay? And then, let me see, I'll do this first. So this makes up a routine. Whoopee, I should do this. And then what I want to do is I want it to be able to know how long the bottom part of the sale is. So I'm going to go like this and say int how many stars. Okay, and so it's going to send that down there. And then the way I call it is I go like this. I go draw full sale, and then I'm going to pass to it how many. Okay, and when it does that, it's going to go like that. And what's going to happen is the code's going to run, code's going to go here, code's going to get the next integer how many, and then what it's going to do is it's going to, when it gets here, it goes, oh, I have to jump all the way down here, and then it's going to do whatever's in here. Okay, you know, make loops to draw the full sale. Okay, and then that's going to work like that. Okay, so you can do that, and then what we got to do is we need to, you didn't close the scanner, that's the problem here. So I'm going to go s dot close. There we go. So it makes a better, safer program for the world. Okay, and so what it'll do is okay, and then what's going to happen is we'll go like this, and just to see what this looks like. Okay, so if I run this, what should happen is I'm going to go here, make a scanner, I'm going to print this, get some input, call up full sale, jump down here, print your code for sale, jump back up, say hi, we're back. Okay, and let's see what that does. Okay, so if I run this, it says how many stars do I want. I'm going to say 17,000, and it goes, hi, make your code for sale here. Okay, which is what I said there, and then it came back and said, hi, we're back from calling the thing. So what I want you to do is between here and here, and also like right here, I want you to make up some code that's going to make a sale. Okay, and I'll show you in a second what I'm hoping that it'll look like. Okay, hang on. So I've got one kind of working, I think, and basically what it's going to do is if you give it 10 stars, it's going to draw this pattern, like a little tree kind of thing. And if you're really cool, you can make like a little tree on the bottom. Maybe we can work on that. Let me see how many stars I want. I'm going to say again like 15. And see, there it goes. It makes that. And if I go, how many stars do I want? I say like 20. It makes a bigger tree. But basically what it's doing is it's sort of spacing over here, and this is like the challenge, okay? I don't want you to you know, I want you to kind of figure this out yourselves. I want people to code by themselves. But basically the procedure is for each row, you're going to figure out how many spaces you need and how many stars you need. So you figure out how many spaces you need and how many stars you need. Okay? So you're going to run a loop that's going to go, you know, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 7, row 8, row 9, row 10, all the way down, right? Or let's do this again with yeah, like 6. You could go row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6. And the way you figure out what you need is you're going to have to tab over some, or like a space over some. You're just going to like add spaces, I think. And then you're going to figure out that you need like 2 stars. So it's sort of like the first sail and the second sail put together, basically. You could kind of think of it that way. That would do things for you. So anyway, that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to let you work on that part of it. So basically, though, this is the top end of it. You make a scanner. You make a method called draw full sail. That's what you're going to program. And then you close it up. Okay? So thanks, and talk to you later.